First of all, my name is Tim Manzke, and let me go through an example of using the order of operations to simplify the following expression. We have negative 3 raised to the fourth power minus 5 times negative 3. In the denominator, we have negative 3, parentheses, negative 3 minus 4. Anytime that I would see a fraction, what I try to do is apply the order of operations separately from the numerator and denominator. So what I would do here first, in the numerator, I would use the order of operations. There's no parentheses, so I go with the exponents. Now, if I have negative 3 raised to the fourth power, it's negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which would give you a positive 81. In the denominator, my first step would be using the order of operations inside the parentheses. I have a negative 3 minus 4, which is the same as saying negative 3 plus negative 4. Okay, and we're going to combine those two together, which will give you a value of negative 7. Okay. Next step, in the numerator, we would multiply the negative 5 and the negative 3. A negative times a negative will be a positive, so it will be positive 15. In the denominator, we'll take a negative times a negative, which would be positive. And this would be a positive 21. As we continue to simplify, the next step is to combine the 81 and the 15, which would give you 96. Now, you have to ask yourself, do you have any factors that you can cancel out or simplify? I notice that 96 is in the numerator. I also recognize that 96 is divisible by 3. A little trick you can use is you could say 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So we're going to simplify this by saying, okay, I'm going to take let's see here, how many times does 96 go in, or 3 go into 96? So that would be 32 times. Because 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. Now if you notice, 21 consists of 7 times 3. And so what happens when you reduce a fraction of lowest terms, these factors of 3 will cancel out. And so you're left with an answer of 32 over 7. Okay, and that's as far as we can go with that. All the factors of 32. We don't have a 7 available, so we'll leave the answer as that. Okay, my name is Tim Manzke. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. I'd like to try to see if I can help. Thank you for watching. Please take care and have a nice day.